If your ads look okay but they don't bring in sales, it's not because you're bad at marketing. It's because most small businesses make ads the slow, random way, and then they stop. They design one post, overthink the wording, spend an hour on it, then they don't run anything consistently. So the business gets no momentum, no data, and no results. In this video, I'll show you a simple, repeatable way to make ads in about 10 minutes using ChatGPT and Canva. No design skills and no complicated marketing jargon. And here's the promise. By the end of this video, you'll have a plug-and-play ad kit you can use for any offer. Clean, professional ads, fast. Before the steps, here's the rule that makes this work. Good ads are not clever. Good ads are clear. If someone can't understand what you're offering in 1 second, they scroll. If they don't know who it's for, they ignore it. If they don't know what to do next, they forget you. So we're going to build ads with one simple structure. One offer, one customer, one message, one next step. No fluff, no hype, no branding exercise, just a clean ad that does its job. Step 1. Lock the offer plus the customer in under 1 minute. This is where most people mess up. They try to advertise the whole business. 10 services, 5 products, 3 discounts, and the ad becomes noise. Instead, pick one specific offer and one specific customer. Examples: home aircon service in Pretoria this week. Same-day emergency plumber callouts. Accounting cleanup for small businesses. Meal prep for busy parents. One offer. One person it helps. When your ad is specific, the viewer feels like it's for them. And that's how you win attention fast. Step 2. Use ChatGPT to generate your ad words in 3 minutes. This is where you save hours. Most businesses waste time writing the wrong thing, writing too long, or sounding like a corporate brochure. You want ChatGPT to generate 4 things: a strong hook headline, a simple what you get line, the result, not features, one trust line, proof, one clear next step, one action. Think of it like this. Hook equals grabs attention. What you get equals makes the offer obvious. Trust equals one credibility signal. Next step equals what they do right now. Ask ChatGPT for 5 hook headline options, 3 short ad messages, 2 versions of the next step line. Then you choose the cleanest one, not the cleverest one. If the wording feels robotic, fix it in 1 sentence. Rewrite this to sound more human, shorter, and more confident. Done. Your copy is ready without staring at a blank screen. Quick recap so you don't lose momentum. So far, you've done 2 things. Picked one offer for one customer, generated a ready-to-use ad kit, headline, message, trust line, next step. Now we turn those words into a professional ad in Canva, fast. Step 3. Build the ad in Canva in 5 minutes. You don't need to be a designer, you need clarity. Rules. Headline must be big enough to read instantly. Layout must be simple. One focal point. Start with a clean template, not something busy and decorative. Drop in, headline 1 supporting line trust line. Next step. Keep it short. If your ad looks like a paragraph, it's dead. And here's the rule most small businesses ignore. White space is not wasted space, it's clarity. If it feels cramped, remove something, shorten the text, and make the headline bigger. Also, you're not trying to create the perfect ad. You're creating a good ad you can repeat, because repetition beats perfection in small business marketing. Step 4. Make 3 quick versions in 1 minute. Most businesses make one design, then stop. Instead, make 3 versions for everywhere you post. Square for posts, vertical for stories, simple banner version for wherever you need it. You're not redesigning, you're resizing while keeping the same message. That's how you stay consistent without extra work. Final check, the 1-second test. Look at your ad and ask, can someone understand it in 1 second? Do they know what you're offering? Do they know who it's for? Do they know what to do next? If any answer is no, the fix is always the same. Shorten the text, Make the headline bigger, simplify the layout. That's it. And this is why ChatGPT plus Canva is powerful for small businesses. ChatGPT kills the blank page problem and gives you usable wording fast. Canva makes it look professional without design skills. And in Canva, you can reuse templates and a brand kit so every new ad stays consistent without starting over. So your system becomes pick one offer, generate the ad kit, drop it into a clean template, resize into 3 versions, run it consistently. Do this once a week and your marketing stops being random, and your business starts looking bigger than it is, and because you show up. Like and subscribe for practical AI tips. The full breakdown and tools are linked in the comments.